कॉलेज बोंबोलीम हांच्यानी आयचो हो ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प हांगासर आयोजीत केल्लो आसा. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत. आयज आमच्या मदीं कितें आसा ते आमचे चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून आमकां लाभलेले आसा मिसेस अस्मिता केरकर, एक्स डेप्युटी मेयर आनी सद्याचे कॉर्पोरेटर सीसीपी, तशेंच करण पारेख कॉर्पोरेटर सीसीपी आनी प्रसाद आमोणकर कॉर्पोरेटर सीसीपी, तशेंच डायरेक्टर ऑफ सुनील फिटनेस वेव मिसेस आयशा करमलकर आनी जीएमसी डॉक्टर क्लेअर डिमेलो हे हांगासर लाभलेले आसा. म्हाका प्रेसिडेंट बाब संदेश केरकर हांचे कडेन की तांकां सगळ्यांक घेवन माचयेर येवचें. डॉक्टर डिमेलो. माची सजलेली आसा. म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या मानेस्तां खातीर एका उमळीक ताळयो जावपाक जाय. मानेस्तान योगा दिवपाचो म्हाका प्रियेश हाचे कडेन की ताणें आयचे चीफ गेस्ट मिसेस अस्मिता केरकर हांकां फुलांचो फूल दिवन तांचो हांगाचो भोवमान करचो. नेक्स्ट करण पारेख हांकां फूल भेटोवचें. प्रसाद आमोणकर हांकां फूल दिवया. जीएमसी डॉक्टर क्लेअर डिमेलो, तशेंच सुनील फिटनेसाचे मिसेस आयशा करमलकर आनी लास्ट म्हणल्यार आमचो प्रेसिडेंट युनायटेड परोगाचो प्रेसिडेंट संदेश केरकर हांकां लागलो. देव बरें करूं. खरेंच आयचो दीस खरोच उमेदीचो दीस आसा, कारण आयज दोनच आमकां खूब जाण मेळिल्ले आसा. आमचे टार्गेट आसा कमीच ते 90 ते 100 लोकांचे हांगासर ब्लड डोनेशन करपाचें आसा. ह्या कार्याची सुरवात सुद्दां आमी देवाचें नांव घेवन करूंक सोदता. सो देवाच्या नांवान आमी हांगासर आयज दिवली भेटोया. म्हाका सगळ्या मानेस्तां कडेन की तेंच्यांनी आपल्या हातीन ह्या आयच्या सुंदर आनी सोज्वळ अशा सुवाळ्याचें उक्तावण करचें. आयच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याचें उक्तावण जाल्लें आसा, पण आयकूंक येना तर ताळयो म्हणपाक. देव बरें करूं. सगळ्या मानेस्तां कडेन वता तेंच्यांनी आमी बसका घेवची. पयले सुवातेर म्हाका कॉर्पोरेटर प्रसाद आमोणकर हांचे कडेन ताणें 2 उतरां हांगासर ह्या माचयेर मारचें.
Good morning, everyone. पहिले म्हणजे म्हणजे बाय अस्मिता केरकर जे माझे कलीग ताका देव बरें करूं म्हणटात की ते हांगा आयले आज आमच्या ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्पाक. सेकंड म्हणजे सुनील फिटनेस वेवाचे आयशा, मागीर डॉक्टर जीएमसी डॉक्टर क्लेअर आना, मागीर आमचो प्रेसिडेंट संदेश बाब केरकर, म्हजो कलीग कॉर्पोरेटर करण पारेख. ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प आम्ही फर्स्ट टाइम आयोजित केला आसा जो आमचो क्लबाचो. अशें आमी खूब हाज्या पयलीं प्रोग्राम केल्ले आसा विथ रिगार्ड्स टू सोशल कॉजीस. कोविडाच्या टायमार सुद्दां आमी भरपूर क्लबान फुडें सरून भरपूर लोकांक हेल्प केलो आसा. सो तशेंच स्पोर्ट्स स्टाफून सुद्दां आमी भरपूर लोकांक हेल्प केल्ले आसा थ्रू दीस क्लब. आनी इट्स अ गुड इनिशिएटीव टेकन बाय आवर प्रेसिडेंट एंड आमचो ऑनरेबल MLA आनी मिनिस्टर फॉर रेवन्यू बाबूश मनसर हाणें आमकां भरपूर सपोर्ट केलो आसा ह्या प्रोग्रामा खातीर. सो आय वूड लायक टू थँक ईच एंड एवरी वन, स्पेशली द GMC टीम हू हेज बीन एक आमच्या उतराक डायरेक्ट आमकां हेल्प करपाक फुडें आयले आनी तांच्यांनी आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स दिवन हो आज आमी कार्यक्रम सकाळीं सुरवात केला आनी बरो रिस्पॉन्स दिवचो आमकां आशाय आसा. सो आय वूड लायक टू थँक ईच एंड एवरी वन. सुनील फिटनेस वेवाची टीम सुद्दां बाब सुनील आमचो सुनील बाब आनी आमची गव्हर्मेंटाची टीम सगळी. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच एंड ऑल द गेस्ट. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू प्रसाद बाब. खरेंच तुमची उतरां आनी आजच्या दिसाची सुंदर सुरवात. फुडल्या सुवातेर म्हाका डॉक्टर डिमेलो हांचे कडेन की तांच्यांनी उतरां ह्या माचयेर मांडची.
Very good morning to all the respected members of the dais and all the members of the United Punjika Sports and Cultural Club and Sunil Fitness Day. It's nice to see we have, with a good start we have started. Some have already donated blood. I can see all the gymming guys coming to donate blood. Now why do you need to donate blood today? You all can donate. Like many people say we can donate whenever blood is required. But remember, blood donation is such a precious thing and such a blessing because one can donate money, food, shelter. But when it comes to blood, till today, blood is not produced in machines. It is we who have to donate to save a life. Not just one life. We at Blood Bank, GMC, we take your unit of blood and we put it into a component separation unit where each unit of your blood gets divided into fat cells, plasma, platelet concentrate and cryoprecipitate. So your one donation is not saving just one life, it is saving 3 to 4 lives. And you can donate, like men can donate once in 3 months, women the time interval is 4 months. So each time you donate, you can calculate the number of lives that you are saving. It's the greatest blessing to save lives. And it is because you are heroes, our donors who donate blood regularly, that Blood Bank can maintain a very good stock of all blood groups. It's so very important. It's our kind of social responsibility to help those in need. By donating blood, if you all donate regularly, we can save a life that comes to casualty. Today it is someone else, tomorrow it can be one of our loved ones, they're in casualty, bleeding, relatives, friends, if you see, they're coming much later. First the request comes to Blood Bank when a patient is bleeding. Or there might be just one relative, he's unable to donate at that time. It is at that moment that this blood that you have donated, that is in store in the Blood Bank, is being released to save such a life. So a big thank you to all you donors who come forward and donate blood regularly. Studies have also shown that people who donate blood regularly from a young age, and later on they don't have other vices like smoking or alcohol, such people are found to have less chances of having hypertension and heart attacks. So it is good for the heart. Blood donation is very good for the heart. So I encourage young boys like you all, if you all start today, regularly donate blood. Not just for your camps, but for any of you are passing by and there is a blood donation camp, or you are visiting the hospital for someone and you feel very fine on that day. You have had a very good breakfast or a good meal, slept well the previous night. You have crossed your time interval of 3 or 4 months. Come forward and donate blood. Now who can donate? Since you all are having this camp for the first time, I'll just a few words of who can donate blood. The criteria. A person between the age of 18 and 65 can comfortably donate blood. First time donors is still 60 we take. Beyond 60, you have to be regular donors to donate. Men and women is the same criteria, okay? You have to be more than 45 kg body weight. We check your hemoglobin. It has to be more than 12.5. If you have any health issue, whether that is pressure, diabetes, accidents, operations, malaria, jaundice, you must let us know. You have to be honest with your medical history when you tell us. That is for the quality of blood. Because under certain conditions, there is a deferral period. But remember, pressure and diabetes, you can comfortably donate blood if it is well controlled, no change in medication or dosage in the past 1 month, you can comfortably donate blood. But those on insulin, we don't take. For diabetics, those on insulin, they cannot donate blood. So come forward, tell us your medical history, what we asked you very honestly, and then you can comfortably donate blood. Never stop medication for donation. Whatever medication you're taking, please take it. Just because you're coming to donate, don't stop any medication. Come and tell us what medication you are taking. Okay? Men and women is the same, except women, if they are pregnant or they are nursing their children, they cannot donate. There's a deferral of a year. Okay, if you have gone through any accidents, operations, please let us know. Snake bite, dog bite, any allergy, asthma, you must let us know. So there is a deferral period for donation. Donation as such just takes 3 minutes. We tell you, after you fill your form, you get your hemoglobin checked. You must have seen a few donors. Stretch out your arm, it's a small ant bite-like prick. Just one small prick, and it just takes 3 minutes. You are donating 350 ml. Once you cross 45 kg body weight, you have approximately 4 liters of blood in your body. And what you are donating is less than half a liter, makes no difference to your body. This entire volume gets back into your body in 24 to 48 hours, that is 1 to 2 days, provided you have your meals today, plenty of water. We give you certain instructions: no smoking alcohol next 6 hours, no gymming on the, no strenuous exercise on the day of donation. You're all from a gym. So today, no gymming. Tomorrow morning, if you all have gone to the gym and come back, fine. But after donation, you all can go to the gym only tomorrow. Okay, so no strenuous exercise. If you're driving, we tell you wait for half an hour and then proceed. Otherwise, it is just 10 minutes. You sit, have your refreshment that we give you, and you can proceed. After donation, we give you a card. Now this is an incentive to our donors. This card that we give you, you can use it in any government blood bank of Goa only. That is Hospicio, Asilo Blood Bank and GMC. Whenever your patient needs blood, whoever is your friend, relative, relation requiring blood, at that time you need not replace by donation. You can come with this card first, provided we have the blood group of your patient with us at that time. 99% of the time we have all groups. This thanks to donors like you. Like during COVID, we had a shortage. That time we had stopped accepting cards because we should have it in stock to give it to you. Otherwise, cards are always accepted. 99.9% of the time, a card of a voluntary donor is honored. Except for heart surgeries, bypass, they need fresh blood. That time we cannot take, so they need fresh blood for preparation of platelets. So that was time we have to bring group specific donors. Otherwise, for all other conditions, you can come and surrender a card. Blood bank never refuses blood for anyone. In an emergency, first blood is released. Then we tell you, come back and replace. That is how blood bank works. Blood goes out, it has to come in. We are aiming for 100% voluntary, such that we would not have to tell donors you will replace blood. But till today, we have not reached that 100% voluntary donation. We do ask relatives after we release blood, come and replace it. Sometimes they are unable to replace, like if you see cancer cases, kidney patients going through dialysis. There are small children who have a defect in their hemoglobin, thalassemia. They require frequent transfusions. They cannot donate blood. Their relatives, how often can they? They come every 15 days, every 1 month for a transfusion. So we don't take replacements of them. It is your voluntary donations that go for such patients. Okay, so I encourage you all, come forward, donate blood. Now your blood, after you donate, goes to a mandatory test of 5 diseases which are transmitted by blood. That is HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, malaria and syphilis. There is a column in our enrollment form. Would you like to know of any abnormal test? If you have ticked a yes, because your blood anyway goes to that mandatory test. If anything is abnormal, we give you a call, your call back to blood bank and you're retested and counseled. So remember, it is a kind of a health checkup also that you're going through when you donate blood. Here itself, and also your blood goes to a test for 5 reasons. Okay, so I welcome you all, come donate blood. Decide that every year you at least donate once a year. Maybe on your birthday or your parents' anniversary, any special days. Our blood bank is open on all weekdays except on public sleep. Only those who have slept well, more than 6 hours, can donate. And a heavy breakfast. Plain chai and 1 power won't do. A heavy breakfast. Even you all people gymming people, you all just sometimes you all go through a diet. That one, on the day of donation, heavy breakfast, heavy lunch. If you are donating in the afternoon, maybe whenever you come to blood bank, a heavy lunch. So have a heavy meal. Normally your breakfast may be light, but for donation, a heavy breakfast. Only then, other will send you back for breakfast. Who have breakfast and come back to dinner. Okay, so all of you have a good breakfast today, and those who have slept well can comfortably donate. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doctor, for enlightening your thoughts and also sharing the most important information about blood donation. Thank you. Next on stage, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request Mrs. Asmita Ketkar यांच्याकडे की त्यांच्याने आपली 2 उत्तर या माझे
Good morning, everybody, and congratulations to the group of participants for organizing this event. Thank you, Doctor, for your help and your words for enlightening us. Even some information even I didn't know. And I thank everybody who have come for donation.
Thank you, Mrs. Ketkar. ओके आम्ही आमचे जे 4 डोनर्स स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट आयिल्ले आसा तेणे ब्लड डोनेशन केला तांकां ह्या मानेस्तांच्या हातीन आमी तांकां फेलिसिट करूंक सोदता. पयल्या सुवातेर बाबा चंद्रकांत कारेकर आसा ना सर. ओके म्हाका चीफ मिनिस्टर कडेन की तांणी हे तांकां कार्ड दिवचें. श्रीकांत तुमेव राम चौहान आसा. आणि सागर तळकर अक्षय भक्तुले एक प्रेमाचे प्रतीक म्हणून आसा आनी टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन सगळ्या मानेस्तांक दिवंक सोदता आमी. म्हाका प्रेसिडेंट संदेश केतकर हांचे कडेन की तांणी पयल्या सुवातेर चीफ गेस्ट मिसेस अस्मिता केतकर हांकां हे स्मृती चिन्ह भेटोवचें. दुसरें म्हणजे बापकरण पारेख हांकां. करण पारेख, कॉर्पोरेटर प्रसाद अमोणकर, डॉक्टर रिमेलो, and last but not least, Ms. Aisha Kirmalkar. आजच्या सोहळ्याक उद्घाटन सोहळ्याक उपस्थित रावल्याबद्दल मिसेस अस्मिता केरकर एक्स डेप्युटी मेयर आणि कॉर्पोरेटर सचिव हांचे आमी चडांत देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच बापकरण पारेख, प्रसाद आमोणकर हे 2 कॉर्पोरेटर तेंचे आमी चडांत देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. वेळान वेळ काडून हांगासर आयले ते. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमॅन, आणि wholeheartedly would like to thank the entire team of GMC led by Dr. Dimelo आणि ते सगळे मनाचं सांगायचं की आमचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स आणि टेक्निशियन्स असतात त्यांच्या आम्ही सगळे मनात असून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कारण तुमचो सपोर्ट ना जाल्यार आयज हो मेडिकल कॅम्प हांगा जावचो नासलो सो वी आर सेइंग थँक्यू फ्रॉम अ हार्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ युनायटेड पोंजेकर तशेंच सुनील फिटनेस वे हांच्या वतीन चडांत चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आणि अशा बघायला की असेच आम्ही मेडिकल कॅम्प आफ्टर रेग्युलर इंटरव्यू वी हॅव टू हॅव दिस आय एम शुअर अबाउट इट आणि असेच तुमचा सपोर्ट लागतलो सो प्लीज सपोर्ट अस फॉर दिस गुड कॉज आणि आता ॲक्च्युली इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी आम्ही सांगत आलेली आसा लेट्स कंटिन्यू विथ द मेडिकल कॅम्प तुमचे फ्रेंड्स कोण आसा वाटेक आसता तर तांकां यू कॅन कॉल देम वी हॅव टू हॅव दिस सक्सेसफुल कॅम्प फुडले आनी अशेंच कॅम्प परत ऑर्गनायज करूया थँक्यू बाय बाय थँक्यू
प्रसाद सर तुम्ही आज ब्लड डोनेशन ऑर्गनायज केलेला सो व्हॉट्स द स्पेशालिटी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केलेले आहेत तुम्ही किती सांगू शकता
आम्ही युनायटेड पणजेकार असो आमचो कल्चरल स्पोर्ट्स अँड कल्चरल क्लब आसा आज आमी फर्स्ट टायम आमी सोशल कॉजा खातीर भरपूर अशे प्रोग्राम्स केल्ले आसा फर्स्ट टायम आमी आज ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प दवरिल्लो आसा सो आमचे कडेन रजिस्ट्रेशन खूब आयिल्लें आसा 40-45 लोकांचे प्लस आतां आनी येवपाचें आसा सो आमचो ऑलरेडी क्लब आमी अशें ब्लड डोनेशन मेडिकल कॅम्प म्हजो फर्स्ट टायम केल्लो आसा आमी कॅम्प हो केला कित्याक तुमी जाणा आसतले आमी फेसबुकार पळयता वॉट्सॅपार पळयता देर लॉट ऑफ शॉर्टेज ऑफ ब्लड GMC कित्याक हे चड जाल्ल्या कारणान एक्सिडंट्स हें तें गरज आसता त्या खातीर आमी हो एक आयडिया घेतली आनी एक करुया अशें एक आमी कॅम्प करुया सो दॅट वी कॅन हेल्प इन मेडिकल दिस ऑल्सो सो दॅट आमी हो कॅम्प करपाक ठरयला आमी आज हो कॅम्प केलो आनी आमकां आतां रिस्पॉन्सूय बरो आसा ह्या कॅम्पाक आनी आमकां ह्या कॅम्पा खातीर सपोर्ट आमचो पणजेचो MLA बाबूश मोन्सेरात आनी जो रेवन्यू मिनिस्टर आसा ताणें आमकां भरपूर हेल्प केला हे कॅम्प करपाक आनी आमचे अशेंच फुडें कंटिन्यू कॅम्प करपाचें आमचें अशें हें आसा
अशें मेडिकल कॅम्प जाणा कितले इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा
इम्पॉर्टन्स म्हणजे आतां तशें डॉक्टरान आतां GMC डॉक्टर आसा तांच्यांनी म्हणलें पळय एक एकटो जो जेन्ना ब्लड डोनेट करता ताजे 3-4 लोकांक हेल्प जाता हें हांवें आज फर्स्ट टायम कळ्ळें आनी हें अशें लोकांक खबर आसल्या कारणान लोक म्हाका दिसता चड आनी चड फॉरवर्ड येतले सो दॅट दे कॅन हेल्प पीपल
पब्लिकान कितें सांगूंक सोदता
पब्लिकाक आमी एकूच सांगता तुमी अशें आतां आमचे कडेन आसा खूब यूथ आयिल्ले आसा जे आमी तांकां आमी ऑलरेडी इन्विटेशन्स दिल्ले खूब आतां अशें आमचे कडेन आतां एक सुनील फिटनेस विभाग आसा ते आमचे कडेन कोलॅबरेट केल्ले आसा तांच्यांनी तांचे खुबशे अशे जे जिमान येवपी आसा जे रेगुलर एक्सरसायज करता ते हांगा आयिल्ले आसा आनी तांच्यांनी विलिंगनस दाखयला ब्लड डोनेट करपाक वीच इज अ व्हेरी गुड सायन एंड स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स आय वूड लायक टू अपील देम कम फॉरवर्ड एंड प्लीज डोनेट
कितले दिसा कॅम्प कितले
आज एकूच सकाळचे 9:30 ते 12:30 पर्यंत कॅम्प आसतलो आमचो एंड आय वूड लायक टू थँक GMC एंड ऑल द डॉक्टर्स एंड द टीम्स फॉर हेल्पींग इन दीस आमी अशें एक आमकां सांगपाक सोदता की आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल टू GMC पीपल बिकॉज एक उतराक आमच्या ते आमकां तांच्यांनी इतलो सपोर्ट दिला फॉर हे कॅम्प करपाक सो इट्स अ एनकरेजमेंट फॉर अस ऑल्सो टू गो एंड हेल्प पीपल इन डिफरंट मेडिकल कॉजेस ऑल्सो
सर आज तुम्ही इनिशिएटीव घेतले आणि कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केला तुम्ही प्रेसिडेंट आहात सो किती सांगू शकता याच्या खातीर
आम्ही युनायटेड पणजेकार क्लब आसा त्या पणजेकारा खातीर खुबशे प्रोग्राम केल्लेले आसा आनी हेच्या फुडें आमी अशेंच करतले
एक्सपेक्टेशन कितले आसा कितले लोक आयज ह्या
आमी
करता
मिनिमम 80 to 90 आज आमचे कडेन डोनेट जातले पयलीं म्हणजे आमचे रजिस्टर जाल्लेले आसा ऑलरेडी
आणि
फुडें आनी वाडोवपाचे प्रयत्न करतात चालू आसतात
कितले इनिशिएटीव कितले इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा अशें
इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे आज गेल्ले गेल्यांचे ते कॉन्टॅक्ट म्हणजे कोण ब्लडा खातीर खूब जाणांचे फोन येतात तर पयलीं आनी तांकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करचें पडटा आयज आमी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प दवरला हितून आमकां आयज आमच्या एक रजिस्टर आसलो फूल आमकां सगळ्यांचे हे गावतले तर पळय कितले आसा ते तशें आमकां लोकां खातीर फुडें हे करून वतलें आमकां तर पयलीं
नक्कीच